Yo, people, welcome to my Twitch. Hit that follow button, don't be a bitch. Yo, people, welcome to my Twitch. Hit that follow button, don't be a bitch. There you go, guys. Dinotti is back. I just want to show you my arcade cabinet. As you can see, Ryu with a Hadouken, Shoryuken. This is my arcade cabinet. It says Dinotti's Arcade. Manually built it. I rebuilt this. I found it on a scrapyard. And I just want to show you how does it look when you start. You know, it's a PC connected with TV, so it needs some blah, 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 blah. But you see, that's my intro, guys. Oh my god! Hadouken! Hadouken! Of course, Ryu with a Ken, always fighting, training to get the martial of Hado. Those are the best friends, if you don't know, guys. You know, my guy's favorite Ryu, which you see up there. But this is Ryu against Ken. So this every time you start, this is intro. You can skip it if you want, but I like it. I like the sound, you know. You see Ryu on the floor, the guys with a foot on his head, and he Hadouken! And you know, Tekken. That's the guy from Tekken. But you can't compare with the Ryu, you know. You can't. You shall not. Hadouken! And as you can see, I install a hyperspin. That means I have like variety of games on my arcade cabinet, you know, and I can choose whatever I want. This is what I was raised by, guys. This is what I experienced when I was a kid, guys. So I had to do this. I had to build it from scratch. I was searching for that arcade. It was really in bad mess. I needed like 2 months to rebuild it, you know, Google it, how to make it work, you know, connect PC. It's not original with coins, it's just a PC inside, you know, some old school Intel Pentium connected with the old school TV. Yeah, actually the screen is from a TV and it fitted like on a bolt, and you know, it's the closest you can get to original. And you can use like as much as game you want. It's like 2,000, 200. The best games, usually they all work, some of them don't, but doesn't matter, guys. I enjoy them. You know, I remember this Asterix. I don't know, I was like 12 years old. This game was like, I spent so much money on this. Me and my cousin, we were playing this game all day long, you know. Even if we didn't have money, we usually just, you know, stay there watching other people play. Like you watch me, guys, on Twitch now, but we did it live. And I remember just hanging all day long when I was a kid on those arcade cabinets, arcade stores. This, oh my god, Bad News was Dragon Ninja. This game, I don't know if you know it, but this game was like one of the best selling games. And I really like it, you know, only like really good gamers mastered that game. So we got like a lot of games. I'm gonna just show you some of them which I played. A lot of them I didn't play. Cadillacs and Dinosaurs. You remember Cadillacs and Dinosaurs? We had a place called Buzo. It was there, you know, in Cernuce, and it was really awesome. And I usually picked Mustafa. You know, that was one of the Captain Commando. Who doesn't know Captain Commando? And I really like to play that guy, mummy guy with those knives. You know, it was really awesome. The K-Man Ninja, one of the really hard games. K-Man Ninja. So, let me see what next. So, usually, you know, we do Double Dragon, guys. Double Dragon. If you were really a true gamer, you mastered this game. As kid, guys, I couldn't even complete the first level. I couldn't. I just couldn't. There was like one strike with the elbow, you know. And you could strike them on the floor, you know, but it's really hard game, you know. I remember that. So what do we have here? Final Fight. Final Fight. One of my favorite, one of my best games, Final Fight. As you can see, there's a guy. Not gay. I usually love to play that guy. You know, guy was really fast. He was like a ninja. Music, everything. Even when I play it now, it's awesome game. We got some old school Galaga. You know, Galaga, that's an old school. So Ghosts and Goblins, old school game, fucking hard game. And oh shit, very good. Even now when I have unlimited Golden Axe. The time of the golden axe. I usually use the elf. Wasn't so hard, it was, but one of the best games ever in 80s, Golden Axe. Music, can you feel it? Can you feel it? Then we have like Guardians, Gover. I didn't play those, Gumbers. There's so many games which I didn't play, and I wanna show you one of my favorite games, King of Fighters. Very good game, very good, like a Street Fighter, but not so popular like Street Fighter. This one, shit. I don't know. 10 years, almost 10 years, 11. One of favorites. Oh shit, my hand hurts. So, I wanna show you, let me go down there to see Marvel Super Brothers, Mega Blast Mercenaries, Metal Slug. Very, very popular game. It was, I think, on Neo Geo. You could have even like handheld games. You can play it like on PC everywhere, guys. One of the best games ever. So, there's like 4 of them, you know, but first of all, Michael Jackson, eh? Michael Jackson. That was like we used to call it Silla. Yeah, it was like mighty strike, you know, when you're like close with others and they're like beating you, you just press this and everybody start dancing and they're down, you know. So Mortal Kombat, who doesn't know Mortal? Fight! Sub-Zero! Kane! Sub-Zero, my favorite. You know, the best thing when you freeze him and you just strike his head down. Mortal Kombat, one of the first games. The first game who used, like, you were like, oh, look at these graphics, man. You know, because it looked like a real, like, person. You know? Then lately, I figured out that they were using, like, they were shooting actual real people and they put it in the game. Really, even now, really popular game, you know. Pac-Man, who doesn't know Pac-Man, old school game. Mutant Fighter, yeah, me and my friend Amir in Bosnia, we used to play this like kids. And this kind of like judo or wrestling, you know. It's a wrestling with the mythological beasts. And you see, when they got in the clinch, you know, whoever presses faster buttons, that guy wins. You know, so it was really like a test. Who's better in playing, you know, who has more stamina, who can press more, you know. I usually beat Amir all the time, so, you know, Ninja Commander, good game. Let's go, let me see, Pang! Yeah, this one is nice. Very, like, peaceful game, calm game. I don't know, you know, there's no killing, you know, just bubbles. And me and my brother, when I made this possible, me and my brother used to play it like, I don't know, we spent like 100 coins to beat that game, you know, so, yeah, you see, guys, even in those times, you had to pay to play, guys, you know. So, Punisher, they made movie on this game. I really like because you can use everything, whatever you see on the floor, you picked up, you can kick, hit, you know, really good. It's like all those fighting games were the same, but this one really had like option to pick up the things, so that was really a great advantage. I really like this game. I usually play it in R-Type, one of the best space games, really awesome games. I played it on Super Nintendo too, so they were like Second, Raiden, Rambo. Who doesn't know Rambo movie? Awesome game. Revenge of Shinobi, which video review is available, so I don't have a video, unfortunately, sorry guys, but Shinobi. RoboCop, first part. Awesome game. You're playing like RoboCop from a movie, you know. But if I'm honest, the second part, this was much better. Usually the first part is better, but this second part, me and my cousin, again, we're playing this game. Another cousin, Amir, he was always better than me in gaming. I was usually blue one, he was a silver one. Awesome game. Really, you gotta try that. So, let's go see what else do we have. Shadow Dancer, the second part of Shinobi. I didn't play this game so much, but this one, Shinobi music game. That game was so patient. There was like, you're not supposed to rush in this game. You're just supposed to go step by step, do it exactly what you should. So if you wanna just advantage this game, you know, you're supposed to just help those kids, you know, little ninjas, and the game awesome. Everybody knows what's Shinobi. So sidearms, awesome gaming. Snow Brothers, oh my god, Snow Brothers. You know, you're a guy, you're a snowman, you know, you're making like snowballs, defeating enemies, and just reaching up the sky, you know, next level. Snow Brothers, awesome, you know. So let's go, Snow Brothers 2. What do we have here? Street Fighter Alpha. I didn't play this game so much, but I did on my Game Boy. But one and only Street Fighter 2, which is all arcade cabinet made by this. Okay, this is Street Fighter 4, but doesn't matter. And as you can see, I'm really a fan of Street Fighter game. Ryu is my favorite character ever, and I really like Hadouken! You know, when he says Hadouken, give me a Hadouken, give me Shoryuken. I don't know why he's struggling, but I think Ryu is gonna lose this one. Give him up, and he died, shit. So Street Fighter, Sunset Riders, Cowboys, Wild Wild West, beaches, drinking, guns, cows, bosses. Awesome game. On this game speciality that you can play, like 4 people can play this game. Yes, 4 people. On the original arcade there were like 4 sticks, you know, and you could play this game. Very, very awesome. I used to play, I think I came to the 3rd level max. You know, we always played with 1 coin from a beginning. Sunset Raiders, guys, I really recommend you this game. Game fucking awesome. So Super Contra, who doesn't know Contra? One of the favorite games. I played it on Nintendo. Yeah, entertainment system, Nintendo. You know, it's just 2D game. Awesome, awesome game. Super hang-ons, price tag, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Nope, I'm wrong. This is, yeah. You could play 4 guys too here. I was like 14 years old. I spent all year with my friends playing this game. I remember I was sweating as pig, man. But we love this game. Street Fighter, who doesn't love Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles? So Terminator. This Terminator was actually made arcade with guns, and you were shooting this with guns. It doesn't work on my arcade, but I remember it was really awesome arcade cabinet, and it was hard as hell. So Terraform, Tetris, old school game. Let's go down there, let's go. There's so many games which I didn't play. You know, times, I don't know, Toki. Monkey shooting balls from his mouth. Awesome, lovely graphic game. You were like, this game was really hard. You know, I was just watching older guys playing this. Some of them were really good, but playing this game until now, since you know, I'm playing this game even now, and I really like it. It's just for chilling, you know. And it's again like a shinobi. You have to do exactly right if you wanna, you know, to just move forward. So it's from year 89. Toki. I really recommend this game. So we got some Troy Twin Eagle. Let me see anything else. I want to show you some games which I really like. Warriors Fate, never played it before. There's so many of them. Of course, World War II planes, Casual, 1942, awesome game. You know, old school game, playing on Commodore, I remember, 64. And it's just like, and this is, if you want to relax, you just play. This is a little bit newer, you know, 45, and you know, now there you have, you know, so many like force, power. So what do we have? Alien vs Predator. Yep, good game. Never played it. Altered Beast. This game doesn't work on my arcade, but this was one of really favorite games. It was really good. This was like from, I don't know, from some Greek time, you know, I don't know. You just transport to a beast, you know, to Wolverine, and you just kill and whatever. Arabian Fight. I like this game. It was like a final fight. Not playing, I didn't play so much. Arkanoid, old school 80s game. Just, you know, bouncing balls. Ping pong, ping pong. Really hard game, really hard. So what do we have? Bad Dude vs Dragon. This is like, I showed you that before, but I think we have like a sequel. I don't know. So what do we have? Like the Blade Master. All those games which I really didn't play, you know. Yep, one of the favorite games. Blood Bros. Shooting, Wild Wild West, 2 players. A unique gameplay. You had like that crosshair. You were just moving that and shooting enemies. And that was awesome game, really hard, but we really liked it. Bolter Dash, I played that on Commodore 64. It looked a little bit different, but it was the same shit. So Bubble Memories, Cadillacs and Diners. Oh no, yeah, that's Mustafa. So did I just went? Yeah, I just went all round and round. I want to show you Chalno Atomic. I think I was like 7 or 6 years old. This game was so hard. You see, the screen is moving, and you're supposed to kill them all before the screen got you, you know, because it just pushes you on. Very, very tough game. You know, old school games were tough, and even now you can play them. You know, they're like evergreen. You know, evergreen. You could play them as much as you want. Okay, Choplifter, Combat Rise, Commando. I think we did all of them. Yeah, we did all of them. So guys, I hope you liked a little bit review about my arcade. You know, I want to show you too, arcade cabinet. I was thinking about to stream on Twitch a little bit with this, you know, but I don't know how to put this camera here. It's gonna be like really bad quality. If you don't know me, I'm Dinotti. You know, you can find me on www.twitch.tv/DINOTTI. Dinotti, double T. Come, save, you know, give a follow, say, hey, I watch your video, and whatever. I hope you liked my video. Share, subscribe, whatever, guys. See you, and Hadouken!
Yo, people, welcome to my Twitch. Hit that follow button, don't be a bitch. Yo, people, welcome to my Twitch. Hit that follow button, don't be